can't okay, you see that.
Yeah, my people, rainy day, rainy evening. Yeah, man, 4 o'clock in the evening. Remember to do the right thing, like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Mix Live Blend YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so you can get some more updates and love. Wherever you're watching from, big up yourself, and thank you all for your support and your sub and all. Just remember that we are here to support each other, give love, and to help each other up along the way. So just do the right thing. Like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Live Plan YouTube channel. And hit the notification bell so you can get some more eggs. Big up yourself from all over the world. Yeah, man. Going to the gas station to get some gas oil. So you don't know? Do the right thing. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace out. People running to the local mini mart. Look what I found. Gummy beer, Harky button, Yankee corn, peanut, tambourine, and all that we used to buy at school on the top shelf. It's a blessing to see all these things. If you remember, like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.